I don't know this. How to cut this flower? Knife also this one. I came from France. How this is knife? I don't know knife. How to cut? This is not cut. Oh, this is one.
Oh, and I will go call Mrs. Fat. Mrs. Fat! Mrs. Fat!
Oh, hello. Hi.
Hi.
Where you come from?
I come from England.
From England.
Yes.
Oh, me too. I am coming from France, but now I'm stay here in Shillong. It's difficult to me to how to cut this flower. You know. Then,
Mrs. Fat,
yes.
come, let's go with me.
Where?
Where that house?
I have to pluck that garbage, cauliflowers with this knife. I have anything with knife. So, as a friend, let's go.
That is my friend's house.
You see?
Yes. Let's go. Hey, mister, my life boy. Aja, marbunga sa may piwin kong liklang. Oh, kong liklang.
Who is this man?
That's my friend.
Friend?
Nga mani nga perat.
No.
It's your boyfriend. No. What no? No. Because every time you remember for him. This man. This man. No? A man! Yes, I know you are a man. A man! Yes, I know you are a man. Cabbage. Garbage? I have already cut the cabbage from the garden. Yes, you know, I'm cutting garbage from the garden.
Surprise! I know this is your birthday.
Oh, well.
Uyame! Kong liklang, this is your surprise. It's your cake. Cake yaw na nga kanrang ma. It's your birthday. Come on, let's cut now. Let's cut now. Okay. Okay.
Oh, Pak Boy, minta di si Kajang kita.
Oh, kung tahu. Ja, kong liklang and white rat. Tat ka na iwin. Oh, I have a knife. This is a knife. Aja, udah ka na ikong liklang. Dicap white ura. Buong pi kong liklang. Ngaut lah kaut. Un lah kaut, bat.
Come on, children. Let's dance rock with me. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.